Welcome to Laws of Cricket. Today, let's understand Law 1, the players. Number of players. A cricket match is played between two teams, and each team has 11 players. Out of these 11 players, one player is the captain. By agreement, teams can have more or fewer than 11 players, but only 11 players are allowed to field at any time. Reduced number of players. If a team loses players due to injury or any other reason, the match can still continue, as long as play is possible under the laws or any agreement made before the toss. Nomination of players. Before the toss, each captain must submit the team list in writing to one of the umpires. Once players are nominated, no replacement is allowed without the opposing captain's consent. Replacement player rules. If a player is replaced after nomination, the replacement is treated as the same player. They cannot bat if the original player already completed their innings. Any penalties or suspensions carry forward to the replacement. The captain. If the captain is unavailable, a deputy captain will take charge. Only a nominated player can act as captain during the match. Responsibility of captains. The captain is responsible for ensuring that the game is played not only according to the laws, but also within the spirit of cricket. Conclusion. So, Law 1 defines who can play, how many can play, and the responsibilities of the captain. That's Law 1, the players.